Have you ever stopped to think about how our bodies were designed to move? Centuries ago, the renowned physician Hippocrates referred to walking as the best medicine for the human body. Yet, in our modern world, many of us find ourselves confined to chairs, couches, and screens, our bodies languishing in a sedentary trance. But what if I told you that a simple daily habit could transform your health, energy, and vitality? In this captivating journey, we're about to unveil the remarkable effects of walking for just half an hour every day, a journey that might just change the way you view movement and its incredible impact on your well-being. Welcome to a world where footsteps aren't just markers of distance, but a pathway to rejuvenation. Today, we're delving into the transformative power of walking, revealing its hidden wonders and unlocking the potential that lies within each step. As we embark on this adventure together, you'll discover why those who stride with purpose aren't just covering ground. They're rewriting the script of their health and vitality. Picture this, a society on the move. Once upon a time, our ancestors walked the earth, their bodies thriving through continuous motion. But in our modern lives, this rhythm has been disrupted. We sit in offices, dine in restaurants, and unwind on couches. Our bodies, designed for dynamic movement, now find themselves in a state of stagnation, and the consequences are profound. Muscle atrophy, weakened strength, and the looming specter of cardiovascular disease are just a few outcomes of this sedentary lifestyle. Now, let's fast forward to a world where 30 minutes of daily walking acts as a beacon of hope. A mere half hour, a symphony of steps, can be your lifeline to health and well-being. It's the antidote to a sedentary existence, a lifeline to a healthier heart, and a rejuvenating elixir for your entire body. But let's not just talk about the benefits. Let's delve into the transformation that occurs with each stride. Imagine your heart beating in harmony with your footsteps. As your muscles engage, blood circulation surges, revitalizing your cardiovascular system. It's not just about covering distance, it's about connecting with the rhythm of life itself. And that's not all. As you walk, your body becomes a marvel of efficiency. Your metabolism, like a dormant dragon, awakens and roars to life. That's the magic of walking. Even the simplest movement can ignite your metabolic furnace, accelerating calorie burn and fostering weight loss. But this journey isn't just about the physical, it's about liberation from discomfort. Remember those days when your legs felt heavy, swollen, and burdened? Imagine walking as a balm, a remedy that eases pain, banishes discomfort, and lightens your step. Walking isn't just a form of exercise, it's a dance with freedom. Speaking of freedom, let's consider your joints. A sedentary lifestyle can lead to stiffness and joint problems. But with every step, you're writing a different story. Walking stimulates the synovial fluid, that magical elixir that keeps your joints flexible and youthful. It's like giving your body a daily dose of joint tonic. And let's not forget the aesthetic perks. Walking isn't just a path to health, it's a gateway to radiance. As your blood circulation improves, your skin glows, your hair thrives, and your face reflects the vitality within. But here's the hidden gem. Walking isn't just a physical journey, it's a mental voyage. When you step away from screens and distractions, you're stepping into a realm of mindfulness. Those 30 minutes become a sanctuary of peace, where the rhythm of your steps matches the cadence of your thoughts. It's a voyage of introspection, a break from the digital chaos, a moment of clarity amidst the noise. And there's a bonus. As you walk, your brain receives a rush of oxygen, a spark that ignites memory, sharpens focus, and elevates your mood. It's like a symphony of well-being composed by every footfall. But let's talk about the power of synergy. If you're a gym enthusiast, an athlete, or someone who's constantly on the move, walking complements your active lifestyle. It's a bridge between high-intensity workouts, a subtle yet powerful force that maximizes the benefits of your efforts. So how can you make the most of this transformative journey? The magic number is 10,000 steps a day. These aren't just steps, they're strides towards health. Walk briskly on an empty stomach and maintain good posture. It's not just about the quantity, it's about consistency. The more you walk, the more your body thanks you. As our journey comes to a close, remember that the power of walking isn't just in the act itself, it's in the ripple effect it creates. A healthier heart, a more agile body, a clearer mind. Each step isn't just a movement, it's a choice to reclaim your vitality, to embrace the rhythm of life, and to savor the simple pleasure of walking.